What's the meaning of Atlanta? Atlanta. Atlanta.
Atlanta. Atlanta. Atlanta is a major city in the southeastern United States and the capital of the state of Georgia. The city is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and vibrant economy. It was originally called Terminus because it served as the end of the Western and Atlantic Railroad line. Today, Atlanta is home to numerous Fortune 500 companies, including Coca-Cola, Home Depot, and Delta Air Lines. The city also boasts world-class museums, parks, and a thriving music scene. Overall, Atlanta is a dynamic and exciting city with much to offer visitors and residents alike.